to buy it. Number 3 is Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer is an optimistic and awesome choice for all the furries who want to turn their wildest dreams into tangible, tail-twitching reality. With its CR Touch automatic leveling, saying goodbye to the hassle of leveling is like shedding old fur. This intelligent sensor zips through 25 points on the heat bed, ensuring you start printing without a fur-raising hitch. But wait, there's more! This printer's build volume isn't just significant, it's colossal, 300 by 300 by 320 millimeters, giving your imagination an endless playground. Whether it's a massive masterpiece or a bunch of mini critters, you're covered. The dual Z-axis dances like a synchronized duo, cutting out those pesky printing deviations. It's like having your fur all groomed and neat. The full metal extruder doesn't just sound cool, it's the real deal, with superpowers to keep the filament flowing like a breeze. And the best part? This printer is quieter than a purring kitten thanks to the 32-bit silent mainboard, so you can create without disturbing your cozy lair. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.